Hi, welcome to Shop Stop. Today we want to talk about using multimeters and all the different settings.
Okay, so you've got this multimeter here and you've got all these different things on there that you can switch to. How would I know if it was AC? It would be this squiggly line. Yes. And that's a sign. It's alternating current. And
the DC voltage would typically have a solid line with a dashed line under it. The millivolts is similar as well, so it would have the small m and the V. If you're looking on most equipment, you're talking about DC voltage, so you're looking at 12 volts. Again, you got a common lead, and then for your hot as well for your voltage. So you would just touch these to wherever you're looking for your voltage. So very similar to what you would get out of a test light when you're looking at voltage, except for you're going to actually see the value as opposed to the light lighting up. Usually if you're going to do a continuity check, it'll be something that's going to have a sound on it as well.
So if we took that and put that on sound and we're going to check continuity.
Resistance would be the upside down horseshoe that's on there for ohms.
You can do a diode check, which is this one right here, which you have current flow one way but not the other.
You got amperage that you can check, both DC and AC amperage as well.
One of those you need to watch out for though, because if you overamp this thing, you'll burn this fuse out and you'll have to replace it.
Yeah. And definitely, if you look at where your leads are connected in, you'll need to know where you're going to connect those for the amperage on one side and voltage, resistance, continuity on the other, where the commons would stay in the center all the time.
You can pick these up about any store, hardware store, and their prices are broad range. You can go from extremely less expensive, I mean real cheap, to as much as you want to pay for one. So, you know, if you're looking for one and you're just going to be doing stuff around the shop or house, you don't need a real expensive meter.
So, just a few tips on using a multimeter. We'll see you next week on Shop Stop.